In this video, we want to check how the shadow of an object falls and appears on another volume or object. Again, we have an element here that we want to draw its shadow. Then we have a negative sun, shadow vanishing point. So according to the same principles, we draw a line from the bottom of our object to the vanishing point of the shadow. And we draw a line from the head of the object towards our main light source. And in this way, we determine the direction and length of our shadow. This is for the situations when nothing is placed in front of the main object. Our shadow is from here to here. But let's assume that now we have a wall that is placed in front of the object. Well, the rule is very simple. Follow this line, which is the direction of our shadow, and it continues until it reaches that wall. And then exactly from that area, we draw a straight line upwards on the wall until it reaches this green line that determined the length of our shadow. Our shadow will finally look like this. Now let's have a demonstration. I have a horizon line here, and I have a negative sun, and my shadow vanishing point is located here. I'm going to draw a shape maybe around here. Let's just draw something like a cone. We're doing this real quick. Now I'm going to find the direction of the shadow. Remember I said that in a negative sun, we draw a path from the head of the object to the sun, and then from the bottom of the object to the shadow vanishing point. We need two lines here because the bottom of our shape is wider and we have two corners. So now we have the length and direction of the shadow. If I just follow this line in the middle, I can find the right angle of my shadow. And then let's just connect them. Our shadow will finally look like this. Now I'm going to draw a box that is placed right in front of this cone. I have two vanishing points, so it's a 2-point perspective. But first, let me clean this shadow on the ground. I'm going to draw my second shape somewhere about here. So now we have our object here. And what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to erase this path because obviously our path and direction of our shadow has changed. Better for you to erase it because it's just going to make you more confused. So for the new path, I'm having this line, and this one is obviously invisible because it's behind the object. And now I'm going to draw two vertical lines directly from here to here. And don't forget the middle line because it helps you to find the right angle. We're going to connect this point to the corners and then we're going to shade it. Okay, let's shade it and see the result. This was really simple. In the next tutorial, we'll have some examples and demonstrations of this topic. So don't forget to check that, and bye for now.